What is going on, guys? Welcome on today's tutorial on how to buy the Rose coin, the Oasis Network Token. As you can see, we are already logged into our account on Coinbase.com, and after that we can click on our buy and sell option on the right top corner. Just click on it and now the purchasing overview will be opened for you. As you can see, the one-time purchase frequency is already selected. If you would like to have a different frequency to purchase these coins, then click on it and select the option which suits to you. After that, we can fill in the amount of cash we would like to use for the purchasing of these coins. Let's say 100 euros. After that, we can select the coin we would like to buy, and that is of course the Oasis Network Token. And we will click on that. We have selected it and now we can change our payment method. Click on that. I'm using my MasterCard, but if you would like to use a different one, select the one you would like to use. If there isn't any available option over here in this list, then first check out if your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you can add a new payment method by clicking on the button below. Once you have done that, click on Review Order. And now they will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, we are spending 100 euros on this purchase, and we don't pay any Coinbase fees. That is because I have a Coinbase One subscription, and that will save you a lot of money once you are buying a lot of crypto on Coinbase. Normally you will pay 3.84 euros, and now it's free. The next option is to invest on a weekly base by clicking on this button, and you can cancel it at any time. But once you have clicked this, then you start buying 100 euros on this coin every week. Now, if you want to buy those coins, just click on buy now and the coins will be directly added to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.